Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear wiper on your Buick Enclave. First, you will need a new rear wiper blade, which is usually 12 inches in length for this model. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window glass, holding it in the upright position. Now, let's remove the old blade. At the base of the wiper arm, you will find a small protective cover. Gently pry this open. Next, grasp the old wiper blade and rotate it 90 degrees or 1/4 turn from the arm. You should see a small tab or spring clip. Press this to disengage the blade. With the tab depressed, carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the wiper arm. Installing the new wiper blade is a straightforward process. Take your new blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, confirming it is securely locked. Then, rotate the new blade back to its normal, straight position. Finally, close the protective cover over the base of the wiper arm, ensuring it snaps firmly into place. With the new blade installed, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. It is crucial to test your new wiper blade immediately. Turn on your vehicle's rear wiper and spray some washer fluid to check its operation. Ensure the blade moves smoothly and clears the glass without leaving any streaks. For best visibility and safety, remember to replace your rear wiper blade about once every 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.